एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो कैसा चल रहा है आपका लॉकडाउन 4.0? मैं अभी 2 दिन पहले कुछ निकली थी अर्जेंट काम से एंड मुझे ऐसे लगा शायद मोदी जी ने आके अनाउंसमेंट करी है
कि मेरे प्यारे मित्रों लॉकडाउन हट चुका है।
Maybe I was sleeping that time. So there is so much traffic. People are back on the road. काफी दुकानें अभी भी बंद है and routes भी काफी blocked है. लेकिन जो shops opened है उसके बाहर कोई social distance maintain नहीं किया जा रहा है. Barricades लगे हुए हैं but कोई पुलिस की checking नहीं हो रही है. I mean अब तक का जो plan किया था, which has led to this now. I don't know how is it going to do any good to any of us. Especially जब ये नया शुरू हुआ था कोरोना वायरस, the rules were stricter. Now when the cases have multiplied into 10, the rules have eased out a bit. So what is the plan exactly? This I'm talking about my particular area. Maybe rules are stricter on the other side of the town, but जो मैंने देखा है, I'm just telling you guys that. And this is particularly in red zone. So imagine अगर red zone में ये हाल है, तो orange and green में तो पता नहीं क्या ही हो रहा होगा. Anyways, it's been almost 3 months since the lockdown has been implied on us. जब ये initially लागू किए गए थे rules, we got a bit impatient कि oh my god, suddenly so much was taken away from us, majorly our freedom to move. But I think within few weeks time we got adapted to it. But अब 3 महीने बाद I think हम दोबारा उस phase पे आ गए हैं where people have become impatient, they've become restless and they've started to get irritated. क्योंकि there are few people who are not abiding by these rules and इन लोगों के वजह से ये इम्पैक्ट हम सब पे पड़ रहा है जो इज्जत में घर पे रह रहे हैं और अपने काम से काम रख रहे हैं. So somewhere this is bugging us as individuals. So it's very difficult for us to see the good in anything that's happening around us.
There's barely anything good happening.
But yeah, I mean वो कहते हैं ना कि वो एक सूरज की किरण. I think we're just missing out on that. So in today's video my motive is very simple. I'm going to give you my rules to be happy in this crappy world. Wow, it rhymed. But hey, before I begin, my YouTube analytics shows that 80% of the people who are viewing my videos haven't subscribed to my channel yet.
Why you do that to me?
So please go ahead and subscribe. How? Just scroll down right side पे there's going to be a red icon जिसके ऊपर subscribe लिखा हुआ है. Just click on that and subscribe to my channel. I know ये सब चीजें जो है वीडियो के end में कहीं जानी चाहिए, but I doubt majority of you even stay till the end. So I'm going to take this opportunity and tell you guys right now to subscribe to my channel.
Do a good deed for me.
With that, I'm going to continue with my video. Well, rule number 1 is to be productive. Pretty sure आपके लाइफ में कभी ना कभी एक टाइम ऐसा आया होगा where you wanted to learn a certain thing but you couldn't because time नहीं था. Well, it's lockdown में as a blessing in disguise is all the time that you've got. I personally always wanted to learn some instrument and I just couldn't figure out what until I went to Goa in this Jan and I saw this beautiful person play ukulele and I was like, hey, I want to do that. And trust me, when this lockdown began, I was like, shit yaar, ukulele होता तो मैं उसे पक्का सीखती. But because non-essential items की delivery बंद थी, I couldn't get that. But thanks to the government, Amazon is delivering a lot of things. Thanks to them, I went ahead and ordered myself a ukulele. Yes! Obsessed with this. It makes me so happy to play, to learn something new. It's just a very blissful feeling. So if there's something that you wanted to try, go ahead. If you were something who wanted to learn how to paint, order the accessories you need for that. अगर आपको बेकिंग का शौक है, बेकिंग का सामान मंगाइए. अगर आपको गाना गाने का शौक है, कैरियोके सेट मंगाइए. और if you want to reorganize or redecorate a part of your house, order things for that and do that. Or if you want to try gardening, do you know how therapeutic gardening is? You can try that. Grow your own vegetables. A lot of them are doing it. So there are so many things that you can do to keep yourself busy. Rule number 2 is to stay connected. Go ahead and call your friend or your family, your loved ones, whoever. Talk to them. Tell them how your day was. But I would highly recommend stay away from the topic of coronavirus, the deaths happening, the rate at which it is spreading. Because trust me, if I am someone who's getting 10 calls a day, at least 2 लोग तो इसके बारे में बात करेंगे ही. अब मैं नहीं चाहती यार कि 10 कॉल आए मेरे को और फिर मैं 10 लोगों से यही चीजें बात कर रही हूँ. So rather there are better things to talk about. You could discuss any new Netflix show that you started watching or any web series, any movie that you saw, something that you ordered online, a new hobby or new skill that you've tried. Like there's so much to talk यार. बस बकचोदी कर लो यार, दोस्ती में तो वो भी कितना चलता है. So just do all that but stay away from the negative news. काफी negativity है यार आजू बाजू. Talking about it over and over again is not going to do any good to you. you. Also, keeping in mind, if someone is not calling you or if someone is not reaching out to you, don't get offended. I mean, that's the last thing you want to do. Put thoughts in your mind, overthink about it, and put yourself through a lot of distress. No one owes you anything. Everyone is going through this pandemic in their own way. So the last thing that you want to do is create situations in your head and start building and start having anxiety and sleepless nights. So keep it positive. The minute you feel low or you need that pump in life, call your friends, call your family. I'm sure they're always there for you. Rule number 3 is educate yourself. Trust me when I say this, that education never goes to waste, and this is the time where you can go ahead and expand your knowledge. There are so many courses that are available online. 2 platforms that I personally know of is Shaw Academy and Udemy. I am personally doing 2 courses. One is in nutrition. Second I am doing is a diploma in social media marketing, and trust me, I am actually liking it a lot. I'm getting to learn and apply on my individual social media platforms as well. It's really interesting. And if you're someone who's just gotten done with your 10th, 11th, 12th and are trying to figure out what you want to do and what not, try these online courses. You will get to know where your interest lies, what is the course that is attracting you and you find interesting over the period of time. This will definitely help you pursue a career that you actually love in the coming future. Rule number 4 is to stay active. I cannot emphasize how important it is for you to be active in your life right now, especially people who are working from home. I know the work stress has increased much more than what it was before. When you work out even just for 30 minutes a day, causes you to breathe heavily, taking in more oxygen, refreshing your mind, and refreshing mind means refreshing thought. तो काफी एक energetic vibe आ जाती है यार. You will yourself see there's a big change in your mood once you're done working out. If you don't want to work out, meditate. I have started meditating as well, and trust me, it is so relaxing. Do yoga. अगर आपको ये सब नहीं पसंद है, if you're someone who likes to dance and all, there are so many free online sessions for Zumba and aerobics. वो कर लो यार. But do something that will at least shaken you up for at least 30 minutes a day. It will help you in the long run. Well, last but not the least, rule number 5 is to load up on your vitamins. I'm particularly talking about 2 vitamins here. First one being vitamin D. Yes, vitamin D हमें जो है sun से मिलता है, and since we are staying a lot indoors, we are depriving our body from this vitamin. Now you may ask, hey, how does vitamin D help with my state of happiness? It does. Deficiency of vitamin D impacts our mood in a big way. It makes us lousy, drowsy, irritable, and a lot moody as well. Take 15 minutes out from your busy schedule, maybe in the morning or during the evening. Grab your cup of coffee or juice and go on your terrace, backyard, garden, जो भी है आपके आसपास, and soak up on that sun. Your body needs it, and that's the least we can do. And भाई free में मिल रहा है यार, तो problem क्या है? The other vitamin that I want to talk about is vitamin C. Well, we all know that the only way of fighting through COVID-19 is to boost your immunity, and vitamin C plays a major role in that. There are a lot of food products in which vitamin C is loaded. Some to mention are all your citrus fruits, bell peppers, tomatoes, kiwi, and last but not the least, broccoli. जी हाँ, broccoli is enriched with vitamin C, and if you haven't seen my last video in which I shared 3 recipes using broccoli, I'm going to put the link right here. अभी मत देखना, ये वीडियो पहले खत्म होने दो, फिर जाके देख लेना. Those were my 5 rules. These have helped me sustain and survive this lockdown in such a good way. When this began, I did not know मैं कैसे अपना time काटूंगी, but now every morning that I wake up to, I look forward to my day because I have so much to do. I meditate, I practice my ukulele, I cook, clean, I work out. I'm busy doing this, I'm editing my videos, I'm talking to my friends and family. The day just goes by like that. At the end of the day, I feel content, and this lockdown doesn't pinch me that much. Another important point is, guys, that you have to be positive here because it's all in the head.com. जैसा सोचोगे वैसा होगा और वैसा दिखेगा आपको. So stop complaining, focus your attention on the things that you have and you're grateful for. Just this change of your perspective can make your life so much more better. I hope at least one of these 5 rules makes your life a bit better. If it does, I would be super happy to know about it. So let me know in the comment section below. So yes, I did test positive, and honestly the only thing that should be negative in your life right now should be COVID-19. So stay home, stay safe, take care. If you like this video, like it, go ahead and share it amongst your friends and family. It might help a few more who are probably having a tougher time getting through this lockdown. And do not forget to subscribe subscribe to my channel. I hope you already did that in the beginning though, but just checking. Until next time, you guys take care and keep smiling. Bye.